It is rainy, it is cold, and it's a very big swing from where were over the weekend and even where we were yesterday,
seriously.
guys. With temperatures topped out in the 60s. We are in the 30s right now. So let's take a look at what you can expect as you're heading out this afternoon or evening if you have any plans. Weather impact days, as we mentioned, today, tomorrow, and Thursday. Weather impact days, chilly conditions, rain around, heavy rain, possibly some flooding, and in the mountains, temperatures are cold enough that we could see some wintry weather mixed in. All of those are reasons that we have weather impact days to give you a warning so that when you woke up this morning, this was not a surprise to you. As we take a live look over downtown Spartanburg, cloudy skies, light drizzle falling with a temperature of only 36 degrees. That's our current temperature right now. Northeasterly winds dragging in that very cold air across the region, and temperatures not only 36 in Spartanburg, but 37 Greenville, 38 Anderson, 37 for Pickens and Union, 38 right now in Abbeville, and in western North Carolina, we're holding on to 33 in Hendersonville, just above freezing. But as we take a look at our satellite and radar, although we're seeing just some light mist in the upstate that's not really registering, we're starting to see the first signs of that heavy rain through Knoxville, Gatlinburg, heading towards Asheville and Hendersonville. Part of the bigger picture that's going to produce heavy rain across the region. And yesterday, this area was over Texas, and now as that develops, that's going to be the trigger for showers and rain moving into parts of the southeast. So for us, we want to watch this very closely over the next couple of days, because as we zoom in for you, what we're watching is that leading edge start to move into western North Carolina. And the pink that you see there, that's that mixture. In those higher elevations, we're starting to see a little bit of freezing rain and sleet mixed in with the regular rain that's falling in many locations. So far, picked up about a half of an inch in Spartanburg, quarter of an inch of rain in Greenville, a little less than that in Anderson, Greenwood, and Abbeville, and Asheville. But we're going to add to those totals. And in addition to that, as we mentioned, the cold concerns, areas like Henderson County, Buncombe County, McDowell County, Yancey, and Mitchell all are under the possibility of seeing wintry weather, that ice freezing on those elevated surfaces. So let's zoom in and show you what we're talking about. Our hour-by-hour forecast shows you a little bit of that pink area mixing in near Asheville and Hendersonville, showers and rain, and that's what continues to come in. As you see the blue, that's the rain coming into the upstate. Tomorrow morning, we'll get a heavy dose of rain, a little bit of a break, and then the more widespread heavier rain returns late tomorrow evening, Wednesday night into Thursday. And as we start to have that concern about flooding or high rainfall totals, that's where it exists, mainly Wednesday night into Thursday. Anything we get between now and then is just going to add to those totals. So we want you to be aware, flood concerns. And how much are we talking about? Well, in general, 1 to 2 inches across parts of the upstate. But as we look at other parts of western North Carolina and really the northwest corner of South Carolina, from Brevard to Waynesville, as we move down towards Pickens into Clemson and easily 2-3 inches of rain, Walhalla and Westminster will be a possibility. So please be very careful. If you don't have to be out on the roads early Thursday morning, do not, because the weather is going to be very wet and rainy. Dry weather Friday, another round of showers for the weekend, and that'll be the case for both the upstate and the mountains, while highs tomorrow stay in the 40s.